Hi, I'm Mike Zemansky, one of the founders of CSNYC. My team and I have developed a very substantial computer science education program at Stuyvesant High School, and CSNYC is our nonprofit to try to bring that program to more kids throughout the city. We have a Saturday morning hacking session where kids come from all 5 boroughs to work on interesting projects under direct mentorship of more experienced coders. We have a summer immersion program that's hosted at St. Joseph's College. We also have one-off talks, we have hackathons, and we're backed with a combined 40 some odd years of computer science teaching experience.
My name is Gordon Smith. I am the founder of Codesters. Codesters is a platform and a curriculum designed to get computer science into schools, grades 5 through 9. So it is a learning management system, it is an online coding platform, and it is structured lessons designed to make it very easy for a teacher to implement coding in the classroom.
My name's Carrie Tan. I'm the Executive Director of CodeEd. And we teach middle school girls from low-income communities to code. Our goal is to try to get them engaged in computer science and interested in pursuing further study.
Hi, I'm Jake Baskin with Code.org. We are a national nonprofit that offers curriculum and professional development for computer science. So our main, one of our main focuses is the Hour of Code, which is an annual event to promote computer science by offering students just 1 hour of code as a way to spark their excitement. That'll be in December this year, and we encourage all students to sign up. There'll be prizes for every teacher involved. We also have curricula for K through 12th grade with free professional development. Teachers are able to sign up to attend everything from one-day workshops to much longer professional development programs to develop into computer science teachers.
So my name is Myra Hellerstein, and I'm the Director of Programs with CodeNow. I'm here with Kwame, our Operations Manager. So CodeNow connects high school students who are underrepresented in the tech field with the opportunity to learn to code through weekend workshops and trainings. We work around the country, and our introductory workshops involve 25 hours of project-based learning and instruction. At the end of the workshops, our students have made 5 games and are excited about how they can continue to apply their skills, both in their spare time and looking forward towards a career in tech.
Hi, my name is Michael Denton. I'm the Executive Director of Code Interactive. We're a 14-year-old nonprofit dedicated to inspiring the next generation of diverse technology leaders from underserved communities. We professionally develop and support teachers to provide computer science education to New York City's underserved youth.
Hi, I'm Aaliyah with Coalition for Queens. We're here today to talk about our Access Code program, which is a tech education program for adults. Teaches adults from diverse and low-income backgrounds how to code, specifically how to build mobile apps, and helps them launch careers in the tech sector.
I'm Christina Wallace with Bridge Up STEM at the American Museum of Natural History. We are a portfolio of programs focused on the intersection of computer science and science, really focused on increasing the diversity of girls and kids of color in the computer science pipeline. So we have a couple of programs, one focused on 9th and 10th grade girls called the Brown Scholars, where they learn Python and SQL after school, and we're working on middle school programming right now for both boys and girls to get more kids through our doors and learn how scientists use computer science in the work they do.
Hi, my name is Kalina Jameson. I am the Community Outreach Lead for Black Girls Code here in New York City. The work that Black Girls Code does helps to increase the number of women of color in the digital space by introducing girls of color to coding education.
Hi, my name is Rosanna. Bootstrap is a computer science curriculum that combines algebra and computer programming. So students will create a video game using an algebraic language where each of the concepts corresponds to something that they're learning in computer science and something that they're learning in algebra.
Hi, my name is Tina Orndeff, and I'm here representing Google CS First and it's a free computer science program that helps introduce programming to kids, especially middle school. And it's a themed-based club. And we have something for everybody, and it just really, we provide all the materials either online or you can order printed ones. We're really trying to get kids excited about computer programming at an earlier age.
So, 2 years ago, we were saying we need to start creating these spaces. We weren't sure what that was going to look like. But we started to come together. This was 1 year after we created a school called the Academy for Software Engineering. That's where I work. And then from there, it just took off. We needed to support new programs, and now we have so many programs in the room who are all trying to support students in some way. We have teachers learning about your programs. We have people who are offering programs for in the classroom during the school day, for after school. We're hosting hackathons. Computer science is now everything that surrounds computing. It's programming, but it's also all of the social pieces of being on a team. It's making, it's thinking, and it's collaborating. And now everybody's offering some piece of that. So as you walk around the room, look for all the different ways that computer science is being expressed in this community and in New York City today. All right, can you change slides for next slide? The cheat sheet is available online. There's also one of those QR codes. Please scan that. Oh, we need a hashtag for tonight. I don't think we thought of that. What should be tonight's hashtag? Anyone? Hashtag CS for all. I love it. CS for all. Number 4. CS for all. All right. We have a few new faces, I think. I just want to find out who's in the room right now. Could you please raise your hand if this is the very first CSNYC meetup that you've been to? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for coming out. Could you please raise your hand if you would identify as a professional educator? Your job is every day, most of you spend the time all day with kids. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys. Our community represents educators who are in the classroom every day, but also curriculum and resource providers who are building tools for us to use, because we're all growing as computer science teachers. I myself was a math teacher, and I came into it. The program that really brought me into it was Bootstrap. I don't know if you guys know about that. They're over there. But there are all these different pathways that you're going to find as we grow and transition into computer science and find new ways to support our students. All right. And then we have all these volunteers. These are folk who are coming out of the woodwork from the technology community through programs like Teals, ScriptEd. All these programs are bringing in volunteers and connecting them with students through mentorships and through hackathons and through after-school programs and in-school. It's amazing. So all of those constituencies are coming together here tonight, and we want to meet each other. Without any more ado, I want to bring up somebody who's really important in this community, who has been a big part of the CS for All initiative, getting that off the ground. And I'd just like to introduce you to Michael Preston. So come on up.
I'm Michael Preston. I'm the executive director of CSNYC, which is kind of an incredible privilege. This is an amazing year for all of us. I think the fact that so many of you are here attests to the importance and the seriousness of the work, and not serious in a not fun way. I think what's so exciting is that we're all here because we really love this. So I'll just say a few words of thanks. Also, Google. Thank you, William. Thank you, Katie, for having us here. Thank you for all the programs who came out tonight and brought all your stuff and are representing your work. I hope that tonight is really fruitful for you. Thank you for the educators for each day working with our kids and making a difference in their lives. And thank you to the volunteers who, after working all day, have come here to spend their time and make these connections and keep supporting our schools. One last thank you. The team CSNYC is here. Cindy, who works really, really hard to make events like this happen. I don't know where she is right now. Kelsey, There's Cindy. Kelsey Finkel, who is also on our team and has been working very hard on this, and Leanne Delizer. That's all I'm going to say. Thanks. Enjoy. I'm gonna wander around and try and talk to all of you tonight. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jen Cho. I'm the founder of CoSpeak Labs, and we do computer science education for kids K through 8. We want to make sure that every student has the opportunity to learn computer programming early in life. So we work in schools all around New York City and beyond, and we really work with schools to make sure that they have what they need in order to build their own computer coding classes or clubs, whether that's teacher training or whether it's actually bringing our instructors to handle everything for them.
Hi, my name is Sarah, and I'm here from Games for Change. We're running a student game design challenge here in New York City in collaboration with the Department of Education. We're so excited about the CS for All initiative because the challenge is inviting middle school and high school students to apply their coding skills to designing digital games. So we're working with a range of organizations across New York City, including the Mayor's Office, the New York Times, the ACLU, and a few others. And students can choose a social issue that they care about and code a real game, a playable prototype, and apply to the challenge. So we invite students across the city to participate, and glad to be here.
Hi, my name is Meg Tobin. I work at Girls Who Code. We run summer programs and clubs to get girls interested in computer science. Any high school girl who's interested in our summer immersion program, we take 20 girls at a time and put them in a tech company and encourage them to teach them the basics of computer science for a 7-week program. You can check it out at girlswhocode.com/programs. Our clubs are for middle school and high school girls. They're in schools, community centers, libraries, and more all across the U.S. You can check those out at girlswhocode.com/clubs. And we're always looking for volunteer instructors for all of those things, so check out our website.
Hi, my name's Amira Dalla, and I work at Mozilla Learning Networks. Mozilla Learning Network is dedicated to teaching individuals how to read, write, and participate on the web. So it gives you programs, curriculum, tools, networks that enable you to actually be able to work with others in a participatory, open, and collaborative way that allow you to get further on the web together.
My name is Lindsay Dixon, and I'm the program director at Global Aurea. Global Aurea is a blended learning platform with courses to teach children in elementary, middle, and high school computing and STEM through game design. And we hope you check us out.
My name is Rocky Drame, and I am the assistant to the CEO at DonorsChooseorg. DonorsChooseorg is a crowdfunding platform for public and charter school teachers. They use our site to create proposals on materials or class visitors or class trips, basically anything that a teacher needs in order to excel her classroom. It's really easy to sign up. It takes about 2 minutes to sign up, and then a teacher creates a proposal and then shops through our vendor directory to find the materials or whatever that they need, and then citizen philanthropists go on the site and they fund those projects. And then we work with our vendors to deliver the materials straight to the classroom.
Hi, my name is Sunita Mitchell. I'm the manager of programs at the Knowledge House. The Knowledge House is a nonprofit organization that teaches tech entrepreneurship to youth and young adults, primarily in underserved communities, to help bridge the gap, to make sure students within certain communities have the opportunity to learn certain skill sets to be able to have jobs within the tech sector. Soon, there's going to be 2.1 million jobs open within technology. The Knowledge House is helping to be one of those opportunity places in which they have these hubs to allow students to learn those skill sets, mainly in emerging technologies, anywhere from AR, VR to software engineering, and to be with mentors of those communities so that they can learn firsthand how to build projects with web.
I'm Michael Temple. I'm head of the Logo Foundation. We sponsor events on programming, including Scratch Days. We have 4 Scratch Days coming up in the next 3 months. More comprehensive workshops, including Logo Summer Institutes. We have 3 of those coming up next summer. So check out our website, logofoundation.org, to get all the information on what we're doing.
Hi, my name's Lindsay and I'm from the Network for Teaching Entrepreneurship, or NIFTY, and here supporting tech entrepreneurship education. What we're promoting today is an in-school tech entrepreneurship program called Startup Tech, which is an in-school program where schools can adopt the program, learn both entrepreneurship skills as well as tech-based skills. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript, with the end deliverable being a full-on business plan presentation, business plan, written business plan, as well as either an app or a actual fully functioning website or app. Students work individually for the most part, and we partner with Treehouse to implement the curriculum, as well as a number of different corporate partners to engage them in this process. So looking for school partnerships, looking for volunteers to be engaged as well, and happy to be here at CSNYC Meetup.
Hi, my name is Jessica Santana. I'm one of the co-founders of New York on Tech. We're a 501c3 nonprofit organization on a mission to prepare the next generation of technology leaders emerging from New York City. We work with low opportunity students and provide them with the development, the mentoring, the network, and the access they need to pursue technical degrees and careers in technology.
Hi, my name is Tara Penny and we're from Empower. We're an organization that links the tech and STEM sector to nonprofits and schools, leveraging highly skilled volunteers to do everything from capacity building for organizations, so helping you get the most out of your computers and your network and your software, to helping deliver STEM and tech education in schools. So our volunteers facilitate coding clubs, come in for like guest speaking for career days and host career site visits and help connect like career and schools. Our services are free for 501c3 charities and schools, and it's easy to sign up and you can reach out to us for help. We're here to help.
Welcome, my name is Jeffrey. I'm from a nonprofit organization by the name of Perscolis. We've been around helping people in the South Bronx for over 20 years. We offer free, comprehensive IT technician training, certification, and job placement services throughout the 5 boroughs. We are here today pushing classes in IT support, network administration, and software testing. So hopefully you come and see us. We're in the Port Morris version of the South Bronx. Hope to see you soon.
My name's Sam Alexander, and this is FIRST. We administer robotics programs for kindergarten through 12th grade in New York City, Long Island, and Westchester, and we encourage students to build skills in problem solving, programming, leadership, and teamwork. We recruit schools and community organizations to create teams, and then we invite them to participate in competitions throughout the year, where they share their work with volunteer judges and referees and community members and stakeholders. We're looking for volunteers. We're looking for volunteers to mentor teams and help them program robots and present their work and document their work. We're looking for volunteer referees. We're looking for judges. We're looking for team queuers and field resetters and technologists. We look forward to hearing from you.
My name is Lara Reed. I'm with the New York City Department of Parks and Recreation's Computer Resource Centers. We're actually rebranding ourselves to be called The Hub, down here. Basically, we work with youth as well as adults and seniors in digital technology and digital sciences and things of that nature. So what we have going for the youth is we have our Rec Youth program, which is photography, videography, music, and also video game design, where they're actually learning how to express themselves or even address social issues and things using the computer and using digital software. The other thing that we have is our NYC Sparks program, which is a program that is just for girls 12 to 17 years of age in the Bronx. We're in 2 locations, St. Mary's and St. James, and it's basically combining STEM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and math to what they already like to do, fashion, dance, music, anything that they're interested in. So we have a few projects we've already started doing. So we do a collaboration where they basically plan, and it's a group initiative. And they also get to do their own separate projects. So it's been really fun. helping the girls kind of figure out what they want to do, and that science is actually interesting and technology is interesting. So we're located, the computer resources are actually located in different recreation centers across the 5 boroughs. I think I actually have a picture of a map here. So this is a couple of the locations that we're in where you can find computer resource centers. So some people actually don't know that you can go into a computer resource center, use a computer, learn, take a couple classes, and as long as you're a member of the recreation center, then you can take any of these classes. They don't cost you a thing. If you are a minor, meaning 18 and younger, membership is free. So all these programs like Rec Youth and Sparks is totally free. So I hope I answered any questions, and if you have any other questions, you can actually email us. We have email recyouth@parks.nyc.gov, and the phone number is 212-255-3066, and you can speak to Zach Rudge or Anna Campos, and they can answer any questions that you might have.
Hi, my name is Glynis O'Leary, and I'm here on behalf of Project Lead the Way. We empower students through transformative educational experiences. We work with schools K through 12 all around the country to provide hands-on activity project problem-based learning through innovative STEM curriculum. We offer pathways in biomedical science, engineering, and of course computer science.
Hi, my name is Jola Cedeno. I'm a program manager with ScriptEd. ScriptEd is a nonprofit that's in 30 high schools right now. We work with software developers on a volunteer basis. They come teach our year-long curriculum, teaching the foundations of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, essentially front-end web development, over the course of the year. Students then who are most successful in our program then get paid summer internships at tech companies. So it's a 6-week-long internship program where they get paid between $10 to $15 an hour doing front-end web development work. We really believe in creating a pipeline for students from underserved communities to be able to have tech careers later on in the future, and that's what we're here to support.
Hi, my name is Bruce Link, and I'm the co-founder of Silicon Harlem, which is focused on growing the technology sector in Upper Manhattan. But a major part of what we do focuses on our young people and making sure they're STEM literate. And so towards that end, we have the Apps Youth Leadership Academy, which is abbreviated as AYLA or AYLA. And what we do is we work with programs like ScriptEd or the Software Engineering Pilot and recruit 20 students. And during the summer, those students are taught how to build tech startups in a matter of 7 weeks. It's hosted at City College at the School of Engineering, and it's also supported by the Caribbean Cultural Center African Diaspora Institute.
My name is Mary Fries, and I'm here as part of the Beauty and Joy of Computing project, which is an AP Computer Science Principles curriculum. It's developed based on materials from UC Berkeley, and it's being designed for the high school level at the Education Development Center in Boston, Massachusetts.
Hi, my name is Raquel Cardona, and I'm representing the software engineering program for the New York City Department of Education. It's a 6 through 12 program offering a 3-year sequence in middle school and a 4-year sequence in high school, teaching subjects like Scratch, web development, robotics, game design, physical computing, and we're recruiting more this year.
My name is Nathaniel Grainer, and I'm the Regional Director for the Teals program in New York City. Teals is an organization that helps high school teachers who don't teach computer science become computer science teachers by creating partnerships with volunteers who come into the classroom and help teach the class.
Hello, my name is Sean Stern. I also work or volunteer for CSNYC. I host a meetup as well. And so I'm just plugging it here to all you interested folks. The meetup I host is called the CS Pedagogy Meetup. It is geared towards teachers. So if you are a classroom teacher or someone who supports classroom teachers, so a principal, an administrator, or just a concerned parent, could you just put your hand up so I know who I'm talking to in the room? Okay, we got a good bunch. So the meetup I happen to facilitate with Cindy as well is called the CS Pedagogy Meetup. Woo! The model for that, we're going to give shout outs in a second, is we get experienced classroom teachers or people who support classroom teachers to give workshops on best practices to improve classroom teaching. Eric talked a lot about how we have a lot of room to grow and improve in our practice. And so that will be on November 7th from 9:30 a.m. until about 2 p.m. at Teach for America's New York headquarters. It's downtown, basically in the financial district. Okay? So if you are interested in going, it is posted on the CSNYC Education Meetup page. We'd be thrilled to have you. We will be having 4 workshops. You have the option of attending whatever you want. Vote with your feet. Go with what you think works for you. Nathaniel from Teals. Woo! Awesome. We'll be giving a workshop on 4 steps to solve any problem. We will have Alana and Lionel. Are they here? Wait, can we give them a woo? Somebody? Okay, awesome. They'll be talking about CS Unplugged activities as well for introducing young learners into CS as well as high school students. We will also have, Gordon from Codesters. Gordon's going to be giving a talk on CS standards and how to adapt them in the elementary and middle school level. That's correct. And then, who am I? Glenn and Christine, Teals volunteers, are they here? Where? They're not here, but they're going to give a great, if you're teaching APCSA or APCS principles, they're going to be giving a workshop on how to get kids to think about particular types of problems using Parsons problems. It's essentially how do you sequence code correctly. It's going to be really cool. There's really good food after, so even if like you're just like, hey, don't know about the workshop, but I do want free food, it's really good. We would be thrilled to have you. If you want to, you can go to the CSNYC meetup page, RSVP. We'd be really thrilled to have you. You'll get to see me again. That's exciting too. So yeah, just come out. Thank you all for listening.
Hi, I'm Beth. I'm the founder and director of TechKidsUnlimited.org, where we teach technology to kids who learn differently. Oh, no, that's fine. Oh, okay, I'll say one more thing. Check us out at TechKidsUnlimited.org. You can sign up on our mailing list and go to our Facebook and Instagram page. We are coming out with an app called Lola. Our program is for kids on the autism spectrum and kids with learning and emotional disabilities, where we teach them technology skills. We have an app that's coming out which will teach kids around daily living skills. So check us out. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Sunita Morgan, and I work with New Visions for Public Schools and in the Cloud Lab. And what we do in the Cloud Lab is we are software developers, and we have developed add-ons from Google Apps for Education. So if you're a teacher or an administrator and you use Google Docs or you're working in the Google Apps environment with your students, you really want to head over and check out some of our add-ons, because some of the things that our add-ons allows you to do is personalize email and contact with your students. It also allows you to manage assignments and manage assessments with your students and streamline your workflow on a digital platform. So make sure you check us out over at cloudlab.newvisions.org. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Melissa Halfon, and I'm the co-founder of VidCode. VidCode is a coding platform designed for middle school and high school students to learn computer science through digital media. So they can upload their own photos and their own videos and actually edit them with code to make really fun, creative, and visual projects with what they learn about code.
Coding projects.
My name's John Martin, and we're showing off a coding game called StarCoder, and it's a multiplayer space-themed coding game, and it helps kids transition from block-based coding to JavaScript, and they're all flying around their ships in the same universe. And kids get excited when one kid makes a change to their ship, the other student can automatically see what they did, so it facilitates peer learning. And the overall theme for it is, kind of coincidentally, it's a little bit like The Martian, where they're trying to create a space station and plant trees there and protect it from asteroids. And so, yeah, we're trying to get as many teachers interested to try it out, get feedback, and just try to build the community. So it's been a fun night, and we have, looks like, a lot of interest. So
My name is Joey, and I'm representing Code Brooklyn. It's an organization that's increasing demand in schools for computer science with students and teachers. And we're organizing a big initiative for this December 7th through 13th to have all 500 schools in Brooklyn participate in 1 hour of code activity. We're looking to recruit volunteers, so it'd be great to have you. You can email us at rob@codebrooklyn.com.
Hi, I'm Daniel Rabuzzi. I'm the executive director of Mouse. Mouse is a New York-based nonprofit that believes in technology for social good and social purpose. We work primarily with middle schoolers here in New York City, run about 100 schools a year. Our young people are involved in robotics, in CAD/CAM, in 3D printing, in game design. We think that Computer Science for All is a brilliant initiative that will enable all of New York City's young people to learn the vital techniques and tools for success in the 21st century. Thank you.
Wow, this is a lot of hands up. Okay, what should we do with this? Oh, I gotta go. Keep your hands up if you think the Cubs should win tonight. Yeah.